Namaste students. Hope you all are fine and studying well. Today we will study a new chapter, that is plant. In previous class we have already studied about different parts of the plant, that is flower, stem, bud, leaf and roots. In this chapter, what new things we are going to study, let's see. In this chapter, we will study about the root. So what is root, children? You know, root is an underground part of the plant. It grows underground. We will discuss about its function later. First, we are study about types of root. There are two types of root, taproot and fibrous root. What is taproot? Student, taproot is a single long root with thin roots arising from it. You can see in the picture. Here is taproot and thin roots are arising from this. You can see thin roots are arising from the long root. But what is fibrous root? What is the difference between fibrous root and taproot? Fibrous root has many roots arises from the base of the stem. You can see here many roots arises from the base of the stem. Here it is stem and many roots are arising from its base. So this is a basic difference between taproot and fibrous root. What is taproot? Taproot is a single long root with thin roots arising from it, like neem, peepal, rose, ladyfinger. You can see at your home also, like a coriander plant, spinach. They also have taproot. You can see that long roots are arising. Long thin roots are rising from it. But in fibrous root, for example, grasses have fibrous root. If you pluck a grass from the ground, you can see the many small thin roots are rising from the base of the stem. So this is the basic difference between taproot and fibrous root. Let's see what is the function of root. There are different functions of root, students, but some are main. First, it helps the plant to absorb water and minerals from the soil. Because plant is a living being and it needs food and water for their survival. So they need food and water for their survival. So root absorb water and minerals from the soil and transport it to all part of the plants. It has also a very important function that it holds the plants upright in the soil. Root keep the plant erect in the soil. So absorption and fixation are two main functions of root. Absorption means it absorbs water and minerals from the soil, and fixation means root fixes the plant in the soil, means it holds the plant erect in the soil. Because of root, plants are able to stand erect or upright. Besides these functions, there are some special functions also. We have already studied in class 3 about some edible roots, edible stem, edible fruits and flowers and seeds. In this chapter, because we are studying about roots, so we are going to study about edible roots. Edible means the roots, edible means we can eat. The things that we can eat is called edible. So edible roots can be eaten. Some roots are eaten by man and animals. Such roots are called edible roots, as we know. So we have already studied that edible roots are carrot, radish, turnip, beetroot. These are some edible root. It grows underground and stores food in their roots, stores food. So these roots are edible. We can eat them. Another special function is of root is aerial. Students, let's know something special about the root. This is banyan tree, and as we know, root grows underground. It grows underground the soil, but in banyan tree, along with the underground roots, some roots grow downward from the branches to provide extra support to the plant. You can see these roots which are growing downward. These are roots which provide support to the branches of the banyan tree. Next root is mangrove. The roots of mangrove plant come out of the soil to get extra oxygen. So the question is, why these roots come out of the soil? Because the root of the plant of mangrove grows in marshy area. Marshy area means damp area, muddy area. So in that area, the roots of these plants don't get enough oxygen and sufficient oxygen. So their roots come out of the soil to get sufficient oxygen from the atmosphere and fresh air from the atmosphere. So these roots are called aerial roots. Aerial roots because they come out of the soil. So which plant, which root come out of the soil, student? Yes, the root of mangrove plants come out of the soil to get extra fresh air from the atmosphere. And which root provide extra support to the branches? Yes, the roots of banyan tree grow downward and provide extra support to the branches of the tree. So these are some special functions of the tree. Now this is a time for assignments. Look at the slide. These are your assignments. Draw the diagram of plants and label its part. You have to draw a diagram and label its part like a stem, leaf, root, different parts of plant. And write the functions of roots. What are the special functions of roots? So you have to complete the assignment and send it on my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you in next class.